Hey there, it's Dean Odell with the community version of Tustin Talks, and we have a brand new business in the area. Very exciting, and I'm sitting here with the business owners, Tony and April Anderson, along with their sister Leslie, who is actually working in the front right now. Tell us about Code Ninjas and why you decided to open this business.
Sure. So Code Ninjas is a learning center, mainly for kids, and we teach them how to code. So everything here is game-based, so we keep it educational but fun at the same time. And we even have stuff for older kids, including like myself. I learned a bunch, coming here. So
for the computer illiterate person, which there's a lot of people like that, me included, explain, let's break it really down, like what is coding? Like some people, they hear that, but they don't really know what a coding is.
Right. I came from the high-tech, industry, and I didn't code per se, but I had to teach myself certain things along the way. So software is everywhere, right? It's in your car, it's in airplanes, it's in the phone that's in your pocket, right? So we all use it every day. So it's really important, right, for the kids coming up now and the jobs in the future, they're going to have to know software.
Right.
And the school system has recognized that. So coding is now a requirement in Tustin Unified, and as you grow in high school and in college, it's becoming more and more important. But kids don't get an opportunity to do as much as they want in school. Kids that are really interested in coding want to do more. Some schools may have coding where they're offering it 1 hour a week at the most, and it's really at the introductory level. So we're here to take them to a higher level.
It also teaches them to think differently, right? So it's all about logic skills. It's about analytical thinking and breaking problems down, right? So I'll learn to code, but at the same time, I'll learn that order of operations, just like math, makes the same sense in coding, right? So they go hand in hand.
And the kids pick it up really easily. The tech is easy for them. They love it. They have fun doing it. But it's a new language. It's basically, they're saying, it's the language of the future. I mean, whether you're building your own website, whether you're doing, graphic design, whether it's coding plays a role in all that. The skills they learn here will translate to many different types of industries and jobs. So not everybody wants to become a coder, but coding is a part of every industry and every job.
I guess like you said, it's like knowing a language, right? So just to have a general knowledge of it is good.
Yeah,
so,
for sure.
Well, tell us what goes on in here. What kind of events do you have? How does this all work?
So mostly the kids are here. There's a drop-in program. They can come, they do the coding, they can drop in at any time that's convenient for them. In addition to that, we hold birthday parties, parents' night out, where the parents get a night off and the kids can come and have some fun. It's not as much curriculum at that time, but they have a lot of fun doing computer stuff and other games. We've held some school events here. We have field trips coming.
We do camps, and the camps are more topic specific, so Minecraft, Roblox, drones, that kind of stuff for the camps, and we do those over school holidays and summertime as well.
Well, hey, I think for the parents, for the drop-off thing,
Really
that's a nice deal, especially because these guys are located right here by the Tustin Brewery and Lost Beans, so to step out for a second to get a bite to eat over at the Greek restaurant. I mean, you guys are here.
We have a great staff that works here. Our senseis are all in college. They've been in computer science. We have UCI graduates. We have an astrophysicist. We have game building majors, and they're all background screened and background checked, but they do a great job with the kids guiding them, and they're called senseis. It's modeled after karate, so you go through from white belt to black belt, and it's just part of
that's the progression.
The progression.
All right, cool. These guys have been in the area, you guys, forever. Actually, old neighbors of mine.
That's right. I grew up Tustin Unified person.
Yes, she grew up with her sister Leslie. I think Leslie was in my class.
Yes, Leslie and I both grew up. We went to I went to Arroyo Hughes and Foothill, and Leslie went to TMA Hughes and Foothill.
Yeah. So anyway, it's good to see people like this in the community that have been around for a long time. Giving back to the community and teaching these kids a great skill that's really, really needed in their lifetime. So thank you guys.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks for having us.
What is the best way for someone to get involved in this program?
So if parents are interested, the best way is to give us a call on our phone number. You can also visit the website, and we do offer a free 30-minute game building session for your kids, so you can bring them in, they can try it out, and you guys can find out more about it.
And you are located?
Plaza Lafayette, Irvine Boulevard, and Newport.
All right. Well, Parents, get your kids down here. Talk to you later. Thanks for tuning in to Tustin Talks.